Hey you guys, so today we are at the Cosmopolitan and this is the 1-bedroom terrace suite. I just checked in, like literally put my bags down, started this video. So we're right by the door. There's a living room with the TV. Don't mind my charger, I just plugged it in because I need to charge my phone after this. A giant TV, lamp, chair, big couch, tables, picture, and then there's a little desk over here. And then when we switch over here, it's the bar area, and it comes with your iPad. It comes with your iPad with like your controls. It tells you the weather. It's hot, 399 99 degrees outside. It shows you the weather. You can control the lights. You can control the temperature. You can control like living room and then the bedroom and, you know, living room, bedroom. So it has your iPad. You could take this off and move it around with you. There's a mini bar. I'm not going to touch any of that because it's very expensive. So, but they have M&Ms. I brought my own M&Ms and like waters and stuff. And then in here, which I think was a really cool feature, oh, here's the ice box. In this 1-bedroom, they have 2 refrigerators. They have the mini bar refrigerator, right? Not gonna touch any of that in there, but they do have the mini bar refrigerator. And then they have a other refrigerator that's empty, so you can put your stuff in there. So that's pretty cool. And then from here, we're moving on to like this little hallway area and like the long desk like I showed you, and a lamp and a phone, and then a long mirror. Hi, you can see me? I look at my stuff. But here's a closet. Comes with robes like every other room at the Cosmo. And then my bag's down there, and it has big closet. You can hang up all your stuff. A ironing board. This is on this side. You have storage up here as well. There's plugs up there too, so if you want to plug something in up there, you can. And then we're moving on to the next closet right here. It has your safe, iron. What's these? Oh, your slippers. Comes with 2 slippers. A dry cleaning bag, another shelf, and the other side of the ironing board. You can close this, and then turn this way. The bathroom. So living room, bathroom. So we go in the bathroom. There's 2 vanities. Very nice. And this is the water closet. Toilet, you know, water closet. That's funny. Last time I stayed here, I just noticed that it was a face. And then you have your 2 sinks. And then here, you have a giant shower. It's a giant shower. Go in. The shower's right here. It's giant. And then right here is really cool. You have a soaking tub. They call it a Japanese soaking tub. They show it online. I could not wait to take a bath tonight. And then you have a window right there with the shade. If somebody's outside and if like somebody's on the balcony and you don't want them to see you, you could pull down the shade, or if it's too sunny, whatever. And then it opens up to the bedroom, which I thought was interesting, but yeah. So the shower actually opens up to the bedroom, which is like from this little thing, which is interesting. So there's like 2 seats right there. So yeah, the window, and then we're leaving the shower. Okay, and then we're gonna go see the bedroom. So closets, living room. This is the bedroom. I already laid on the bed, so it's kind of, and then there's a TV, and that's the window inside the shower, and the bed, and a nice wallpaper. And then right here, if you don't want people in here, there's doors that kind of slide. I have to figure this out, but they close. So this could be closed off. If you have people over and you don't want them in the bedroom, you could close it and they'll just be there. It could be there, or if you just want privacy in here. And then The rest of the bedroom. I should have put this on my selfie stick. I didn't think about it. And then you have 2 nightstands, telephone, and then you have the room controls right here, the lights, so you don't even have to get out of bed. You can just turn it off, on. Lamp with charging stations and USB chargers. And then right here you have a reading lamp, so at night we could do that, turn that on. And then here we go, the balcony. Okay, it is hot outside, so we are facing the Aria. The Aria is right there, as you can see. Aria, New York, peeking out. The Vidara's right here. Beer Towers, those are condos. You can see MGM right there. But yeah, so I'm on the 38th floor. So I was trying to get a fountain view. They were all sold out. I'm like, dang it. So yeah, we're facing, where are we facing? We're facing south. So you see Mandalay Bay. Let me zoom in. You see Mandalay Bay, Delano, peak of Park and Gym, New York, the Beer Towers, Aria right in front, and the Vidara's right here, and then yeah. So I'm gonna do a little turn, and it has a couch out here and a chair right here. Somebody's screaming. Oh, there's the pool's down there. I don't know, like, yeah, the pool is right down there. You can kind of see it. I don't want to, wait, here. You can see the pool. It's kind of shaded right now, which is nice. Okay, so yeah, the airport's right there. All right, it's hot. I'm gonna go back inside. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me walk into the living room. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye. So quick update. This is I'm in the bedroom, and this is the soaking tub. I just realized there's a shade up here. So you can actually close this off and they can't see you. So you can close it and then it's private. So if somebody's in the bedroom and you don't want them to see you in the bath, you close it off. You can still hear them though, but you can't see them. So yeah, I just discovered that right when I ended the video. But yeah, I can't wait to take a bath and look out the window at the beautiful night sky. Beautiful night sky, beautiful Vegas buildings. All right, I just wanted to update you guys with that really fast.